Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now we have to enter languages and input and tap on languages on the very first position. Here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and French, so let's tap on that language, and here we've got full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick German and pick on the region just by tapping on it. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the list, but the English language is still a main one. So in order to set the newly added language as a main, all you have to do is simply tap on it and hold it. And as you can see, right now you can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it actually immediately changes, and from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. It's very simple. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And again, we've got English as a main one. If you'd like to remove the languages from this list, nothing easier, just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Right now we can mark the languages we would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon and confirm with a remove. And here we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.